Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to send Bitcoin using the Zengo app on your smartphone. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. And download the Zengo app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure to log in with your account. If you don't have any account, you can create one easily. Once you are logged in, you will see this interface of the app. Here you can see the arrow icon at the bottom. Tap on it. Now in order to send the Bitcoin, select the option Send. You need to have enough funds or Bitcoins in order to send it to others. Here in my account, there are no Bitcoins as of now, but if you have Bitcoin in your Zengo wallet, you can easily send it to others. After you tap on the Send button, you will be prompted to the screen where you can enter the amount you want to send in your preferred currency. And you need to keep in mind that local currency values are estimates and change frequently based on market conditions. After you enter the amount, next up, you can enter the address where you want to send the Bitcoin. This can be another wallet you own, your friend's wallet, or any other address. And before you complete the transaction, you will see a summary screen where you can review all the details before sending. And that's how you can send Bitcoins from your Zengo wallet to others. So that's it. If you have enough funds, you can easily send Bitcoins from Zengo wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.